First of all, you need to select the complex operation, that is select over here, and you must have this complex mode selected. So how do you get it? Go to mode, you will get this option complex. So even in your calculator you will have this. Then suppose I want to do conversion from your imaginary form to your polar form. Suppose 2 minus 2i. Whenever it is in complex mode, if you see this engineering button, you will get the I. So 2 minus 2i, how do I convert it? Press shift, and you can see on this number 2 it is written complex, CEMPLX. So press that too. So you will get the option even in your calculators to, you have this R angle phi, this formula. So a plus bi is rectangular form, abs is the absolute value. You can get the real component, imaginary component, all this. So if I want the polar form, I will select this, the fifth option over here. So you will be getting this. If I want it like this, I'll get the angle value. If you press this ST button, in whichever form, it is 2 root 2 minus pi by 4. So always make sure that the angle is also in radians. Okay, radians or radians rather than having it in degree. So in degree I get 45 degree. In the radian mode I'll get minus pi by 4 degree. So suppose I want it in the I want the real component of this. Let me delete this. Real value of 2 minus 2i. What will I get? 2 is the real value. Suppose I want the imaginary value. I will press this imaginary and get a bracket like this. So imaginary of 2 minus 2i, what do I get? I'll get minus 2, because minus 2 is the imaginary form. Okay, so even in case of this, you result format, fraction, the degree and the polar, if you just press here you will get it. In your real calculator 991 ES you will be not getting this. So suppose I want the result, the absolute value, the modulus, or say I want the conjugate. Conjugate is very simple, right? Conjugate of 2 minus 2i. Okay, you will get 2 plus 2i. Got it? Suppose I want the absolute value. Absolute value, if I take, sorry, okay, let me go back. Let me delete this. So shift complex, absolute of 2 minus 2i, if I take, you get the magnitude, that is square root of 2 square plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4, that is 8. Square root of 8 is 2 root 2. Got it? So this is how you can get many things in your complex mode operations in your calculator. Always remember, first thing you need to do is go to mode and select your complex operations rather than math and other things. Then you can do this operation. Alright.